Go for it.
It's not easy.
Do you need to flip it? You want me to just flip it for you?
No.
Okay.
No. I can't.
Wait, use the chopsticks to use the other side instead of your fingers.
I am chef.
You already have
Chef has
chopsticks.
immune hands.
I have immune hands. Do you?
Woman have immune hands.
You got this. There you go. You nailed it. Beautiful.
Insert the pan.
There's no bones in there, right?
No.
What do you call this?
The something. What to eat when you're hungry?
It's a fried chicken, pepperoni, pizza, sourdough grilled cheese sandwich. With what kind of cheese do you put in here?
One American and
Normal American. It's so fancy. Want me to close it up? You got it. Yeah, boy. Immune hands.
yeah, too perfect.
It is. It's pretty nice. Go for it.
Oh, that's good with butter.